Earthworm. An earthworm is a type of invertebrate animal that belongs to the phylum Annelida and the class Clitellata. There are over 6,000 species of earthworms, which are found all over the world, except for in arid or extremely cold environments. Earthworms are typically segmented and cylindrical in shape, with a slimy and smooth skin that allows them to move through soil easily. They are vital members of the ecosystem, as they help to break down organic matter in the soil and improve soil structure by burrowing and creating channels for air and water to flow through. Earthworms have no lungs or gills and instead breathe through their skin, which must remain moist for them to survive. They also have a simple digestive system that includes a mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, intestine, and anus. In addition to their ecological importance, earthworms are also used as bait for fishing and are sometimes kept as pets in vermiculture or worm farming operations. Here are some interesting facts about the life of earthworms. Number 1. Earthworms are hermaphrodites, which means that each individual worm has both male and female reproductive organs. Number 2. During mating, earthworms exchange sperm packets, which are then stored in special sacs until they are used to fertilize eggs. Number 3. Earthworms can lay anywhere from 1 to over 100 eggs at a time, depending on the species. Number 4. The eggs are enclosed in a protective cocoon that the worm secretes from its body. The cocoon provides nutrients and protection for the developing embryos. Number 5. Earthworms have a relatively long lifespan for their size, with some species living up to 10 years in the wild. Number 6. Earthworms are sensitive to light and will retreat into their burrows if exposed to too much sunlight. Number 7. Earthworms are known for their ability to regenerate lost segments of their body. In some cases, a single earthworm can regenerate into 2 or more complete individuals. Number 8. Earthworms are most active at night, when they come to the surface to feed and mate. Number 9. Earthworms are capable of consuming up to their own body weight in organic matter each day. Number 10. Earthworms are important indicators of soil health, as they are sensitive to changes in soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. Despite their important ecological roles, earthworms face a number of biological challenges that can affect their survival and reproduction. Here are some of the challenges that earthworms face. Number 1. Drying out. Earthworms are highly dependent on moisture, and can easily dry out if the soil becomes too dry. This can be a problem in arid environments, or in areas where the soil is heavily compacted and does not allow for water to penetrate. Number 2. Predation. Earthworms are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including birds, rodents, and some insects. They also have to contend with parasitic infections, such as nematodes and fungi. Number 3. Habitat destruction. Earthworms require a healthy soil environment to survive and reproduce, and are threatened by habitat destruction caused by land use changes, soil erosion, and pollution. Number 4. Competition. Earthworms are often in competition with other organisms, such as ants and beetles, for access to food and space. Number 5. Invasive species. Some non-native earthworm species have been introduced to new areas, where they can outcompete native species and alter soil properties, leading to changes in plant communities and other ecological impacts. Number 6. Climate change. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect earthworm populations, as they are sensitive to changes in soil moisture and temperature. Climate change can also alter the timing of seasonal events, such as breeding and feeding, which can have cascading effects on the ecosystem.